Hi friends, today's class we are going to discuss about pair of angles. Pair, from the word we can understand pair, two. So pair of angles, there are 6 types. First one is adjacent angles. Next, vertically opposite angles. Third one, complementary angles. And fourth one, supplementary angles. Next, linear pair. And last one is conjugate angles. Adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle, linear pair and conjugate angles. Let us discuss first of all adjacent angle. Adjacent meaning near. A pair of angle with one common arm. See here, angle AOB and AOC. These two angles, AO is common arm for both angles. This type of angles are called adjacent angle. AOB, AOC. Now, next adjacent angle is AOC and COB. These two. And COD and DOB. This pair is also adjacent angle. Note the point, AOB and COD, these two are not adjacent angle because there is no common arm for these two pair. So, AOB and COD are not adjacent angle. Now, let us discuss vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. From the figure, see figure, angle BOD and COA or AOC or DOB, this both opposite. This pair of angle is called vertically opposite angle or angle BOC and down one AOD. This both also another pair of vertically opposite angle. You see scissors like this will be up part and down part or this side parts is an example for vertically opposite angle. Now let us discuss complementary angles. See from the figure, angle ABC, you know very well, right angle. In that this ABD and DBC, these both are adjacent angle. And what about this sum? 60 plus 30, the sum of the angle is how much degree? 90 degree. So, sum of two angle pair, in that pair, sum of two angle is 90 degree. Then that type of angles are called complementary angles. Examples of complementary angle, 40 degree, 50 degree, 1 degree and 89 degree. These are the examples of complementary angles. Now, let us discuss supplementary angle. From the figure, see the figure, angle ABC. Next one, angle PQR. Here 40 degree, here 140 degree. What about this sum? 40 plus 140, 180 degree. So, what is meant by supplementary is sum of two angle is 180 degree. I mean straight angle. Then that type of angles are called supplementary angle. Not only 40 and 140, but also see 50 and 130 also. What is supplementary angle of 50? 130. What is supplementary angle of 130? 50. Sum of two angle equal to 180 degree. Then that type of angles are called supplementary angles. Next, we can discuss linear pair. Linear pair. Pair means double. See here, angle ABC and angle ABD. 120 plus 60, straight line, 180 degree. So, sum of two adjacent angles is 180 or straight angle. Then that type of angles are called linear pair. Sum of two adjacent angle is straight angle or 180. Then that type of angles are called linear pair. Now, one important note is supplementary angle and linear pair. Just sum of two angle, here 40, here 140. sum of two angle is 180, it is supplementary. Sum of two adjacent angle is 180 is linear pair. From that, all supplementary angles are not linear pair, but linear pairs are supplementary. Is this supplementary? Yes. 40 plus 140, 180. What about this one? Is in linear pair? No. Here 140, here 40. Sum of two angle is 180, but it is not adjacent angle. So all supplementary angle may or may not be linear pair, but linear pairs are supplementary angles. Next, we can discuss about conjugate angle. Let us see this figure. Angle ABC, how much degree? 120 degree. What about down figure? Angle PQR, how much degree? 240 degree. Here 120, here 240. What about this sum? 360 degree. So, what is conjugate angles are? Sum of two angles is 360 degree or complete angle. Then that type of angles are called conjugate angles. Sum of two angles are 360 degree. Then that type of angles are called conjugate angles. Let us conclude our class. Let us revise. Today we discuss about pair of angles. In that there are 6 types of angles. First one is adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle, linear pair and conjugate angle. First we discussed adjacent angle. Adjacent means near. I mean, see here angle PQR and in that angle PQS and SQR. These two angles, ray QS is common for both angles. So this PQS and SQR are called adjacent angles. Next we discuss vertically opposite angle. Angle POS and ROQ, this straight opposite angle, are called vertically opposite angle. Next we discuss complementary angle. Sum of two angles is 90 degree. Then it is called complementary angle. Next we discuss supplementary angle. Sum of two angles is 180 degree. Is called supplementary angle. 180. Total 180. Next we discuss linear pair. Sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Then that type of angles are called linear pair. Here 75 and 105. Total 180. Note the point. All supplementary angles are may or may not be linear pair, but all linear pairs are supplementary angle. Last we discussed about conjugate angle. Sum of two angles is 360 degree. Then that type of angles are called conjugate angle. 200 plus 160, total 360 degree. So conjugate angle is nothing but sum of two angles is 360 degree. Then it is called a conjugate angle. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and forward to your other friends. Thank you.